My name is Jasmeet Kaur. I study in 6th class of Vasant Valley Public School, Ladai in District Sangrur. Happy Diwali to everyone. I have decorated some diyas for Diwali decorations. Let's see that diyas. These are the diyas that I have decorated. I have also pasted some stones on the diyas.
I am Simranjeet Singh from class 6th Aristotle. Today I made diyas with green and golden color and also made rangoli. Happy Diwali to all.
My name is Ashwin Kaur. I study in class 6 of Vasant Valley Public School, Ladakh, Sangrur. Today, I want to show my Rangoli and Happy Diwali. This is my Rangoli.
Today, I am here to give a speech on Diwali. Diwali means Festival of Light. It is celebrated in fall season every year. Diwali is considered as one of the holiest and biggest Hindu festival. This festival spread joy and light. It is most important festival of Indian culture and celebrated every year on Kartik Amavasya. It donates darkness to light. The festival of Diwali brings happiness to everyone. All people celebrate this festival with great joy and pam. It is celebrated with enthusiasm in school, college, offices, etc. It is holiday on Diwali. In this day, it comes in the month of October or November. People worship gods like Lakshmi or Ganesha. People decorate their homes, bring sweet, wear new clothes, etc. on this day. So, at the end of Diwali is the biggest festival of India.
My name is Milap Shakya. I study in class 6th Aristotle. We all know that there is a Diwali, so I come here to tell a speech on a Diwali. We all know the Diwali is also known as a lights of festival. Today we praise goddess Lakshmi and Ganesh ji for our health and wealth. Children use firecrackers to enjoy this festival more. At night, we decorate our houses with diyas or lights. We clean our houses properly. So this is my favorite festival.
My name is Aritra Gupta. I study in Vasant Valley Public School, Ladakh Group. Today I am going to perform a poem on Diwali. Diwali is here, Diwali is here, the festival of lights and sound, when the firecrackers and the laughter above. When the firecrackers and the sparkles go through the high, the depressed children jump with joy.
My name is Nirav. Today I am going to recitate a poem on Diwali. The people shed so many tears when Rama left for 14 years. 14 years in a forest deep where he and Sita used to sleep, until Ravan spoiled his life by stealing Sita for a wife. He took her in his chariot high over the sea and across the sky. The monkey king called Hanuman helped the king Rama with the plan. He built a bridge across the sea so Rama could set Sita free. Then in a battle fierce and long, Rama showed how he was strong. Ravan killed and Sita saved. Rama was so bold and brave. On his return to Ayodhya city, people made his journey pretty by lighting lamps along his way, and so it was until this day. That Diva lamps, like guiding lights, remind us all that good is right, and from the dark, ignorant way, grants us knowledge for our future days.